Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to share with you a few items I picked up from Dollar Tree, and stay tuned. I'll be sharing with you some more name brand household and cleaner items that the Dollar Tree carry, and you may not know that Dollar Tree carry these items. So let's go ahead and get started. Food items, I picked up some of this cream delight hard candy. You know, I work in healthcare, so I always like to keep some hard candy on me at all times, to mask the smells. And, if I'm just hungry, and I can just pop one of these in my mouth until I get a chance to take a break. So I picked up some of those, and I love cowtails. It's just a little caramel that's filled with, got the little cream filling. I picked up those, and I always get my pistachios. Picked up 2 things of those. And I needed some more ink pens. These are ballpoint pens with the comfort grip. So I'm going to try these out. I'm working on a project, and I want to try to use these for that project. And I don't know if you know, but Dollar Tree carries copy paper, and I needed some of this. There's 92 sheets for $1. And last but not least, I picked up 2 things of Scott toilet paper. Yes. And that's it. And don't forget to scan your receipt to Fetch Reward. Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to scan any receipts so you can get points, so you can redeem for free gift cards. I'll insert my code right here on the screen. So yeah. So stay tuned to see what other name brand items Dollar Tree carry. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.